Sarah, go open.
Wow, what is that, Tyler?
Sarah, Tyler, what is that you're opening?
It's a piggy bank.
It's a piggy bank.
And I want a piggy bank.
Wow, that piggy bank is cute.
It's the one that had circle.
Yeah, open it.
Sarah with the big bags. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. It's the night.
I'm here for this surprise.
Tyler don't know what's about to happen, but you guys, by the title, know what's going to happen. So what one, faves?
One friend me day up and you with guys after that had a good day at school.
That's not true. You're already
Trick you!
You got tricked. Anyway, you ready for the surprise?
Yes.
So, right now, you and Sarah are gonna open all of your Christmas gifts. Wait. Stop. Alright. You and Sarah are gonna open your Christmas gifts because we're leaving in the morning and I want you to open your Christmas gifts before you go. And we won't have time to open it in the morning, so Sarah gonna get to do it now. Anyway, you guys, so there we go. Tyler didn't know, so now he knows. And we're gonna bring
for outfit.
No, you're gonna help Papa?
Yes.
Okay, go. He's so excited I can't contain him. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the kids unwrapping their Christmas gift right now. You guys are having a good Christmas, and this is the moment I've been waiting for, to just see the joy on their faces. So enjoy the rest of the vlog, and we'll see you guys throughout gift unwrapping. Okay.
It's only for two. It's only two. This one is the last one for
Sarah.
Let's start!
Wait. Let the gift opening begins.
This one is written Merry Christmas, Tyler, from Uncle JD and Auntie Danielle.
And from Sarah, have one from the same
This one is
person.
from Sarah.
No, find from Sarah, from JD and Daniel. Sarah, here, this one. Open. Wow. Here. Open. Go, open. Open, Sarah.
But that's the feel. I can't take off the feel.
You can't take off the feel?
Yeah,
Try.
Wow, Sarah, good job. You're smart.
Christmas gift opening.
What is this?
She's doing so gently. Wow, Ty, it says draw buzz game. Okay, it's a buzz game, Ty. Tyler, you'll figure it out. Say it again.
Thank you, Auntie Danielle.
Wow, who's that, Sarah?
Wow.
Peppa Pig. Wow,
Tyler.
give it to Papa.
Mel plus Ludo.
Okay, put that to the side. Wow, thank you,
What's
Sarah.
it?
Go open another one.
Sarah?
Thank you. Go to
Sarah,
Papa. Go
open
to
it.
Papa. Open this one. Go open it. Open, Sarah.
Where do I put Tyler one?
Just take it out of the way, no matter. So who this from? Okay, from Grandma Valerie.
Wow, Tyler. What is
Wow.
It's
Sarah, open.
It's a figurine of what is
Oh,
in
it's
our
a doctor. It's a human body.
Sarah, open it.
Oh, We're
Wow.
gonna spend together.
Wow.
Tiens, Sarah.
This one's from my mom.
Pour toi, ça c'est
Wow.
Auntie Nick and Uncle Conrad.
For Tyler, from Grandma.
Hold on, Tyler. Sarah, and this one is from Tyler for Auntie Annika and Uncle Conrad.
And
Open. Open it, Sarah. Open it. From Auntie Anika.
Wow.
Wow.
Mama, can we carry them on vacation?
Yes, you can.
Yes.
What is that? Open it and look at them properly.
Wow.
Star Wars shoes, Star Wars undies,
Is it
Star Wars robe tie. Is the robe you always wanted to look?
Is the robe
It's a bathrobe.
and his
He's
underwear,
fascinated by
Star
the
Wars
underwear.
Yeah.
Wow. And
Star Wars slippers. Can we carry my Star Wars slippers?
Yes, that's why I told you yesterday to put back the green one because I know the ones you're gonna bring.
look at
What's
Sarah.
that?
What's that? What's that?
Wow, Sarah!
What is that?
Wow! It's a learning
No,
thing.
don't touch anything.
Wow! So
Nobody
thank
touch.
you. Hold on.
Mama, can I?
This is for Sarah from Auntie Anika. That's for Kyla.
Yes,
Okay, you can open. You can open.
It's written from who?
It's from Tashika, Auntie Tashika.
I'm sure it's a...
My gift for the paper.
They won't be, let them be messy a little bit, man.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you,
Sarah, open.
Thank
Sarah,
you,
open.
Auntie Tashika. I
Wow.
exactly wanted this Star Wars.
Wow.
A good thing all of you know that I love Star Wars.
That's
Help,
from
Tyler,
Grandma
help.
Val.
Wait, Tyler, help your sister.
From Grandma Val. Tiens, Sarah. Comme ça, regarde. Ici.
Honey, move out of the way. It's from Grandma Valerie Ty. And who is Sarah on from? Auntie Anika.
Jacket.
Wow.
Wow. Wow, that's a big jacket.
That's pretty.
That's a cool one.
Thank you.
Hold on, Tyler. Hold on.
The
Look at
pink
Sarah.
one.
That is Sarah. Tyler, say hold on. This one is written.
Wow, Sarah.
Tyler from who?
Don't read them.
It's not written.
Wow, look at Sarah.
And it's from who's this one? It don't return.
It's not written. Open it and I'll tell you who it's from.
Okay.
Cool, Sarah.
Okay, open another for Sarah.
Sarah, open it. Attends.
Fifi.
Ici, regarde.
Yes.
Open it.
It's from who?
Open it.
It's from who?
Wow.
I don't know who that's from. Honey, you should tell who that's from. I did not wrap that, so you must carry that here up.
Oh, maybe
It's from work.
It's from work.
It's from one of Papa's friend.
Okay.
Say thank you.
Wow.
Wow,
Attends.
Sarah.
Tyler.
Wow, Sarah. What is that, Sarah?
What is that?
It's our thing for her.
Wow.
Wow.
I have one from Auntie
Sarah?
Natasha.
Can open it?
Okay.
Tyler,
From Auntie Natasha. Okay. All right. Here we go. Open, Sarah. Wow, Ty. You got Lego. Good
Wow.
job. Wow, Sarah, what is that? Help her, Ty. Help her. Pull it out. It's a bag. Put it on her back. Tyler, pull the elm out of the bag. It's a bag. Sarah, it's a bag.
It's a
Put it
bag.
on your back, Sarah. It's a
Thank you,
bag.
Auntie Natasha.
Good job. Sarah, it's a bag.
Papa and Mama.
Put
P
your
and
hand in.
M. That
Elmo is a bag.
Elmo, la.
P and M means
Bravo, Sarah.
Papa, from Papa and Mama.
okay.
Wow, Sarah. Okay, Ty. Give Sarah another one.
Open it.
This one.
Wow. That's a new game for you and for me.
Look at Sarah.
Merci, Papa. En plus, je le voyais tout le temps sur la pub et je le voulais en plus.
Okay. This
Wow,
one is
Sarah. Wanna make Sarah open the package first?
Wow. Attends, Tyler. Attends. Wow.
Wow, Sarah. Woohoo. Yes, Sarah. Too cute.
Hold on, Tyler. Hold on.
Who's this one?
Which one is? I don't know. There's no name. This one and this one, there's no name.
That is for Sarah.
Oh,
Tyler
This is
opened
Sarah?
his own already
Papa,
from that
Sarah?
person.
Papa gonna help you to open it.
oh,
Hold on, Tyler. Actually.
That's from Grandma Valerie Sarah.
This one is for you. Oh.
Wow, Sarah.
Tyler. Oh, I think
Go.
something that
You can see Tyler.
Wow, Sarah.
Something that I like.
Wow. You see
Woohoo.
Tyler?
Yes.
Wow.
And
Sky, what's that?
another Star Wars book.
That you wanted.
Wow.
Yes.
Can you give Sarah her gift from Tashika, please?
This one?
Yes.
No, the. This one.
Wow,
Sarah.
Sarah, that's pretty. Sarah, give me this one and open another one. Open this one.
Open it.
Move that box from in front of her.
Open it. Allez, Tyler, tu regarderas.
Wow, Sarah, what's that? Sarah, what's that, Sarah?
The unicorn.
Tiens, Tyler, ça c'est pour toi.
Hey, she's just ripping it up. Oh, she wants to take it out.
Attends, Papa's gonna
Aw.
help you.
Sarah, what's that?
Need the scissors?
Give me a bag.
Okay. Sarah, open it.
Where's our gift with the 2 bags in it? What's that, Ty?
An apron, a chef's seat.
What is it in here?
Put them on, let me see. What is written on it?
Chef Tyler, Chef Tyler. Mama, how do you know that I like to cook, to play cook?
Sarah? Sarah, tiens.
Mama, I can't
Open it.
You look so cute. You like them?
Here. Attends, Tyler, attends.
Tyler.
Sarah in her own little world. Ty, go be say, wow, wait, who give Sarah that?
I don't know.
Wow. Oh, probably
Mama,
Mama,
Mama, it looked like one parrot in Rio. Papa,
Sorry, yeah.
in Rio. Me and opening one. Me see.
Open it.
It's Zack and Silver.
Okay, what Sarah have over there? What Sarah have? Sarah, what you have, Sarah?
What is that?
Sarah, what's that? What's that? Give it to Papa. She get her bag back. Sarah, you know what that is? It's a bag. It's a bag, princess. Put it on. Put it on. Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
the last one is for me.
Wow, Sarah.
It's for me.
Sarah, the other one is a bag too.
Bag too. Wow.
Wow, it's Elsa and Anna. But the Mickey one catch her eye.
She's the one that she
The Minnie one is her favorite. We need
Sarah?
to fix the strap.
It's the last one.
Sarah, look. Look, Sarah, go open with Papa.
This one. Open it.
Oh, Ty, opening. Sarah, go open.
Wow. What is that, Tyler?
Sarah, Tyler, what is that you're opening?
It's a piggy bank.
It's a piggy bank.
And I want a piggy bank.
Wow, that piggy bank is cute.
It's the one that had it's the one that had circle.
Yeah. Open it.
Sarah with the big bags.
Yeah, one more.
Wow, Sarah ripping. What is it, Sarah? What is it? What is it, Sarah? Look.
Look. What is that? Wow. What
It's
is
the
that?
dresser she been obsessed with. Oh, she think that it can already open. Oh, Papa gonna have to put it together, princess. Oh,
Finish.
wow.
Mama, it's the book that I can
I see two over there. What's those?
No name, so I guess it's for you.
Mommy!
No, we just can open it and see
No.
Hold on. So, disclaimer, you guys. Those are all the gifts for the kids. Disclaimer, Babe and I decided that we are not gonna get each other's we're not gonna get each other no gift. Is that right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because we got ourselves something really nice that we both gonna benefit from. So let me show you guys our Christmas gift to each other. Dun, 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 dun. There you go. Merry Christmas to us. That's our Christmas gift. Yes. All right. So, because we said that, let me just clear the air before everybody come for me. I still went ahead and got something surprise for Babe, but unfortunately my heart is so broken and I'm so mad, I'm so livid, I'm so pissed. It haven't gotten here as yet. Hopefully we'll get here by we get back from vacation, and he's here standing over this corner with something in his hand, which I know it belongs to me, because we just can't keep our end of the agreement.
It's just a little thing. She said just a candy, so it's just a.
I say just a candy. I say no gifts.
Just a
No
bag
gifts.
of candies. So I know it's not much, but we say we.
It's the thought that counts.
Right. I know it's gonna be useful.
Let's see.
Huh? It looks like for me.
My man knows me. Thank you, babe. Another outfit to my collection. Thank you, honey.
Mama.
What? Bike and the workout outfit to go with it. Hey, perfect. Man, no size too, you know, it look nice. Thank you, bro. Don't worry, your gift coming.
Don't worry.
Your gift coming.
I have one gift here.
Oh yes, this is from my mama.
And you can open this.
And this gift is from our friend Danielle and JD.
Close. Oh, she says something from the Astros.
From the Astros. Pick our Astros.
Mama, why you want Papa to work out?
That's between us. Thank you. I'm still gonna wear it. This is nice.
Mama, Sarah's already
Oh,
playing.
it's cool gift. Open this one.
Mama, Sarah wants to play with her toys.
Sarah is all
And me
in,
too,
you
I
guys.
want to play with my toys.
Hold on tight, hold on.
Papa wants to
Wow.
Oh, it's about chicken.
Yes. Tat
Good.
Gustav.
Visa.
Is a record? What is it?
I don't know.
What's that?
Like
Battery?
things.
Press the arrow button to see the different melodies. Then press the
Oh,
You can change the instrument.
is the
by pressing
clock?
arrow buttons.
is the clock?
Oh, it's about Mali clock.
Is the clock? Is the clock? Is a Bob Marley clock? Is the clock like what's in our house?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, you guys! Look how cute this clock is. OMG! You guys, look at that. This is the cutest gift ever. This is for Babe and I from our friends. Oh my gosh, isn't this cute?
I'm gonna open
Wow. Here, babe, put it back in. Oh my God, it is so cute. That was a pleasant surprise from JD and Daniel. Thank you. Thanks. Come guys, say thanks to all the aunties and uncles. Hold on. Go ahead now.
Thank you, everyone.
For all the gifts.
And all the books and all the Legos. I see book first because I'm reading the one book.
Sarah, look at Mama. Say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Good job. All right, you guys, so there you guys have the kids enjoying their gifts, and thank you to all the aunties and uncles and all the faves and just everybody. And this is just day one of the kids open gift. They'll be opening gifts for the next 2 days. So thank you guys again so much to everyone who sends the kids gift. We appreciate you guys. We're gonna leave you here and go clean up and get ready. Tomorrow is the start of vacation vlog, so you guys don't want to miss that. So stick and stay and subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Mama, I found Jamaica.
Yes, you find Jamaica. Ty, you saw that Lego book over there?
Stop that, but I don't know how to open.
What?
I want to take a seat.
My girl not take off her bag.